How to create X Twitter account on iPhone. First, open the X app on your device. Next, tap on Create Account in the login page. Now enter your required details like name, email address, and date of birth. After that, tap on Next option. Next, enter the verification code sent to the given mail ID. Then tap on Next. Now, create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then tap on Sign Up option. Next, swipe to choose an emoji as your profile picture. Then select a background color for it. Or add a custom photo by tapping on the plus icon. This will open the photo library. Scroll to find the desired photo and select it. Then adjust the photo and tap on Apply at the top right corner. Then tap on Done at the top right corner. Then tap on Next. Now, the list of usernames will appear. Tap on one to select or customize your username according to your preference, but ensure that a green circle with a tick mark appears indicating its availability. After selecting, tap on Next, and then tap on Continue. A pop-up will ask to allow access to your contacts. Then tap on Continue and select your desired contacts option. Now, the suggested people will appear. Here, choose at least 3 interest options to personalize your experience. Tap on Next after making your selections. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. And that's it. Your new X account has been successfully created.